In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix lag in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a lot of tips to improve your performance and also your connection on Jujutsu Shenanigans. So first, if you want to improve your performance, maybe because you have low FPS, this is going to be very straightforward. When you are inside of the game, just pause it at any time by pressing escape or opening up the settings menu and switch over to the general settings category, where you will be able to find graphics mode and graphics quality. This is going to be the single most important option to get better performance inside of Roblox. So if you have a really low-end computer, low-end laptop, this is the first thing that you should look into. If the graphics mode is set to automatic, usually this is going to be enough to adapt the settings and the graphics to your specific computer specs, but you should always switch this to manual and manually control it to ensure that it is set accordingly. So in here, the higher the graphics quality is, the prettier the game is going to look, but in turn, you are going to get worse FPS. So essentially, if you just want to get the maximum amount of performance, just lower this as much as you can. In Jujutsu Shenanigans, it shouldn't affect the game too much. You will notice that the quality roughly stays the same, but in other games you might be able to notice a difference. The next thing to do is to always close down unused applications. So you will see that in my computer I have a lot of stuff open because I am recording this video. But if you just want to play Roblox, you don't need all of this on the background. So close down any unused applications. So for example, Spotify, I can close if I'm not listening to music, Discord, and so on. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. For connection, just make sure that you are connected to the appropriate server. So in this example here, I am connected to a server in Florida, United States, and of course, you should connect to the server that is closest to your region. Check for updates on Roblox, and if needed, you can try restarting your router or modem to ensure the best amount of performance and connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lag in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.